The Earth itself has always been the best water collection and treatment system, but as that ground gets covered with concrete and other surfaces, less rain is absorbed. This unabsorbed stormwater collects debris and then follows the path of least resistance. More stormwater means higher amounts of pollutants like hydrocarbons and volatile organic compounds that need to be removed. The need for stormwater treatment becomes increasingly more important. As we develop neighborhoods and other commercial properties and other infrastructure, more stormwater needs to be collected and pumped to treatment. Once treated, the stormwater can then be reintroduced into our rivers, lakes, and oceans. Romtec Utilities designs stormwater pumping systems for many scenarios, including residential, commercial, industrial, and municipal applications. Whether pumping oily water or water full of solids and debris to or from a detention pond or treatment plant, Romtec Utilities designs and supplies the correct stormwater pumping system according to your requirements and your application. Romtec Utilities will bring your stormwater pump station from concept to completion with the design and supply of all necessary components. Our team will carry you through the entire project to ensure you have a complete, functioning system in the end. Call Romtec on your next stormwater pump station project.